The next speaker is a very special person because his cause is our cause. So could we have a chant? Freedom for Tibet!
Freedom!
Freedom for Tibet! Freedom! Freedom for Tibet! Jigme, thank you so much. Good afternoon. I am a Tibetan. And I'm honored to be here and delighted to be at this very important protest. Tibetans and Vietnamese have a lot in common. We were both invaded by the People's Republic of China. Yes! The only difference is, unlike Vietnamese in 1979, we have still not gotten around to kicking out the Chinese. Get them out! Do it! We will! Do it! Today is also an important day for us Tibetans. Today is the 79th birthday of His Holiness, the Dalai Lama.
Yay!
It's been 55 years he's been in exile. Today, I pray that he will be able to return home soon to his people and to a free and independent Tibet. Oh. This is the Tibetan national flag. If you have this flag in Tibet, you are put in prison for 10 years. This flag in Tibet puts you in prison for 10 years.
Down with Communist Chinese!
Communist China out!
Out!
Communist China out!
Out!
The last thing I want to say is China is an aggressor. It is moving into all the neighbors within Asia. The Prime Minister of Japan, he has spoken out. The President of the Philippines has spoken out. People who are bullied by China, we need to stand united, stand together. Because remember, Vietnam can be Tibet. 1.5 million Tibetans have been killed. 6,000 monasteries destroyed. 135 Tibetans have burned themselves for Tibet. Tibet is a tragedy. Look at history. Remember what happened in Tibet. The tragedy of Tibet is a mirror of the future. The tragedy of Tibet is an omen of the dark clouds. The tragedy of Tibet are the tears that could fill your cities and your rice pads. Let not the tragedy of Tibet come to Vietnam. Rise up! Stand up! Speak out! Free Vietnam! Free Tibet! Free Taiwan! China out of Tibet! China out of Tibet!
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Jigme.